Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who thinks music is important and enjoys music. You should say who this person is, how you know him or her, what music he or she likes, why he or she thinks music is important, and explain how you feel about him or her. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Music plays an important role in every individual's life. While some people enjoy all kinds of music, some people are quite selective, and today I would like to speak about my neighbor Sneha, who belongs to the former category. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So selective means very specific, okay? Moreover, I know her from the past 8 years, from the time she moved into our locality and we started to go to the gym and for evening walks together after our classes. Additionally, she is fond of different kinds of music, including Indian classical, hip hop, as well as pop, and listens to songs depending on her mood. She feels that music is a tremendous stress buster, helps her to blow away the cobwebs, and instantly relaxes her mind after her hectic schedule. So, we have used an idiom here which is blow away the cobwebs, which means to relax oneself. Tremendous means excellent. Instantly means quickly, and hectic means very busy. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, music also reduces her anxiety, improves her mood, as well as enhances her sleep quality, contributing to her overall well being. So, anxiety means nervousness, enhance means improves. Furthermore, music also improves her mental alertness and memory, thereby boosting her daily productivity and target achievement in a timely manner. So we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the fourth question, which is why he or she thinks music is important. The last question, which is explain how you feel about him or her, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that a positive attitude towards music and life will definitely take her a long way, and her energetic personality also inspires me to push myself beyond my limit and achieve more each time. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.